SBI has introduced new mutual fund SBI Multi-Cap on February 14, 2022. This new plan ends on February 28, 2022. During this offer period, you can buy an unit at 10 rupees. The allotment date is 8th March 2022. Exit load is applicable to this fund if you exit this fund within 1 year. So if you withdraw this fund within 1 year, then 1% will be applicable. But if you withdraw only the 10% within 1 year, there will not be any exit load to this plan. And minimum SIP is 500 and first time investment amount is 5000. Thereafter, you can invest 1000 rupees onwards. And tax is applicable to this fund if you are exiting this fund within 1 year, and 15% is applicable, whereas if you are exiting this fund after 1 year, only 10% is applicable if your returns more than 1 lakh. So if you are enter this fund, make sure that you are keeping this fund at least more than 1 year. Otherwise, you have to pay 15% on your returns. So what is multi-cap fund? Nowadays, multi-cap funds are familiar than other fund. So the investment will be divided into four parts. So the first 25% they will invest in large cap fund, and the next 25% they will invest in mid cap fund, and then 25% they will invest in small cap fund, and then remaining 25% they will invest in within the market cap. You know that large cap fund is the top 100 companies. So that is a large cap companies, first 50 companies and next 50 companies. So those are the large cap companies, first 100 companies. And mid cap companies, they were all from 101 to 250th company list in the equity market. And then the small cap companies are the list from 251th company list. Those are all small cap companies. So this mutual fund main objective is investing in these three categories. First 100 companies, they were matured and they were dominating the market in equity market, and they were good earning tracking record as well. Higher tracking volumes in the market and low volatility. And the company list from 101 to 250th, they were the mid cap and they were growing companies. They were the future large cap companies. And then the company list from 250th. So they were the multi-bagger companies, and they are chances to give more returns, higher returns when the market perform well. So the volatility will be high in the small cap companies. So if you look at that market cap, it is increasing year by year. So if you look at that large cap companies, the market cap increased in 4.7% of growth. Same way for mid cap companies, the market cap increased 4.7, and same way for small cap companies, and market cap has growth 7.5. If you look at that returns in 5 years between Nifty 100 and Nifty 500 multi-cap fund, the return will be similar when the market has performed poor or moderate. But whereas if market is perform well, the return will be 2% increase between that Nifty 100 and Nifty 500 multi-cap fund. So you can have both Nifty index fund and Nifty multi-cap fund. But the only difference is between these two funds. Nifty index fund has low expense ratio, whereas the multi-cap fund has little more expense ratio than index fund. So if you are investing directly without any broker, the expense ratio will be 0.4 to 0.5. But if you are investing through brokerage as a regular fund, the expense ratio will be more than 1%. So if you are interested this fund, you can choose direct fund. Then the expense ratio will be less than 0.4 to 0.5. So choose always direct fund. You can directly invest their website, or you can invest through MyCamps, or you can invest through any app like Grow, Angel One, Zerodha. There they are suggesting only for direct mutual fund, so the expense ratio will be always low. And this mutual fund they are investing in different categories. For Nifty 100 in financial services, weightage is 33.3%, IT 16.7%, consumer goods 11.6%, oil and gas 11.2%, metals 4.4%, and in Nifty Midcap 150 category, financial services 15.8%, consumer good 10.8%, industrial manufacturing 9.5%, automobile 9.1%, IT 8.5%. In small cap categories, financial services 7.1%, industrial manufacturing 14.0%, consumer goods 11.4%, IT 11.1%, and in chemical 6.2%. So this fund definitely will give 13 to 16% over 5 years. So if you are wait more than 1 year, you will get a good return. Unless from your side, if you are interested, you can always choose this fund. You can have this fund in your portfolio along with the index fund. Also, don't forget to invest this fund in the middle, which means whenever the market goes down, the NAV value will be always down. So whenever the NAV value going down, don't forget to invest this mutual fund, which means additionally you can purchase this mutual fund. For example, if you invested 15,000 and over 1 year or 1.5 year, market is drastically performing poor. So watch your NAV values in your mutual fund. If the NAV value is down from 18 to 15, that time if you have enough amount, you can start investing additionally 20 to 30,000 in this mutual fund. Same way you invested this mutual fund and in 6 months equity market is performing too poor and the market going drastically down, then you can watch your NAV. If the NAV is going down less than a 10, don't get panic that time. You can additionally invest amount, you can purchase this mutual fund so that you will get additional unit. For example, if you invest this mutual fund 1000 rupees at the rate of 10 rupees per unit, you will get only 100 units. Whereas if you invested at NAV 9 rupees, you will get additional unit, that is 11 unit you will get additionally. Market will not be perform all the time down, or market will be perform all the time up. So whenever the market is down, you purchase that additional unit. You will get huge benefit over the period. At the same time, risk will be there, which means whenever the market is down, your portfolio will be minus. That time you have to wait till the market is goes up. That time your portfolio also will be give huge return. Unless from your side, if you are interested, you can also invest this mutual fund. Don't invest blindly anywhere in the market. So you have to do some analysis from your side also. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for your support. Please keep on watching this RN Millionaire YouTube channel to get useful video like this. Thank you.